Highway 12 is one of the most scenic roads in Utah, and Red Canyon is no exception. Right next to Bryce Canyon, in the beautiful Dixie National Forest, just a little ways down Cabin Hollow Road, is our boondocking location. Welcome to our beautiful camp spot. It's nice. Man, just look at this place. It's beautiful. If you're ever going to Bryce Canyon and need a place to camp, the Dixie National Forest is the place. If you like finding awesome places to camp for free, hit that subscribe button. That's what I do, is find free camping, and I'm gonna share it with you. Since we've already been to Bryce Canyon, and we went to a ghost town, well, a couple ghost towns, it's about time to leave. So I need to make a celebration fire and cook dinner tonight, but I haven't made it up this dirt road yet to see what's up there. I don't know if it's anything cool, but I want to go look. Show you around our camp spot later, a little bit of Red Canyon. Let's do it. Wow, this is a beautiful little spot. I wouldn't drag a trailer in too far on this road. I took mine in probably a quarter mile. The road gets a lot worse after where I parked my trailer. Lots of washouts and ruts. But if you got a good off-road trailer, you can pull it up here. Nothing bad yet. Looks pretty dry and hot through this area. Well, I made it to the top, well, at least to the top of that canyon. It's pretty dry and arid up here. There's a junction. Looks like you can head back over to Panguitch, or you can head over to John Valley Road. I think I recognize the trail number. We found a pretty nice spot at the top, but I think camping in the canyon is a lot better. There's a lot more shade, a lot more pine trees, and probably a lot less wind. I think I want to go hiking now. There's a little wash down in Red Canyon I want to go check out. Looked pretty cool. It's called Cassidy's Draw. Probably after Butch Cassidy. That water is crystal clear. So pretty. Okay, well, this is Butch Cassidy's Draw. I was just hoping I could come up here and step in one of the same places that Butch did. It's a beautiful canyon. I guess he grew up here. This is his stomping grounds. This would be a cool place to grow up and explore. I think I made it through the most interesting part. I figure I hiked about a mile up the wash. Nothing too difficult, nice and mellow the whole way, and beautiful scenery. I haven't seen a soul. Got this whole wash to myself. Me and Butch. The columns of rock started to disappear, so I figured I was pretty much out of the scenery. So I'm gonna head back to the Jeep. I'm gonna cook dinner tonight, so my wife doesn't have to. My little treat to her. She'll be happy. Just letting the cat out for a stretch. Oh, looks like he found some poop to sniff. Whose poop is that? Don't sniff the poop. Well, come on, adventure's over. All right, we're gonna have classic man food, meat and potatoes. Starting with the potatoes. Okay, now we got the meat on there. Potatoes, bacon, and burgers. Okay, dinner is almost done. Just gotta melt some cheese on there now. Woohoo, that looks good. Dinner is served. So we're gonna get out of here tomorrow. On to new adventures. We've started our journey north, so hopefully that snow melts so we can get somewhere in the mountains here soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a new place.